Привіт! I am Andriy and I come from Kyiv in Ukraine. Well, actually my family comes from Mariupol, but I came to Kyiv to study many years ago and it has become my city. I am 35 and I am a software developer. I started to work in the IT sector already as a student, and I usually work as a freelancer for Ukrainian and foreign clients, mainly from the US and UK. Many big international companies are outsourcing to Ukraine these days. It's a very competitive environment, but I can't complain. I normally have work and a good income, much better than my friends working in other more traditional sectors. But at the same time, my life is very unstable. I have moments when I have huge amounts of work and then some weeks with much less. For this reason, I also use some international platforms for freelance work to complement my earnings. I have a girlfriend and we want to get married. It's about time, I am getting old. We wanted to buy an apartment, but banks don't easily offer mortgages to freelancers. I even tried to get a more stable job and applied to be an IT specialist in a public institution. But they didn't recognize my work experience as a freelancer. They only looked at my CV and didn't assess my practical skills. Maybe they didn't have a skilled technical person to test me. I have international certificates from Google, Microsoft and other developers just in case an opportunity comes up. In any case, I'm learning every day while working. I watch YouTube tutorials and often ask for advice from friends or IT communities, like Facebook for example. I always need to find quick answers. Traditional training courses are too slow for me. Thank you for listening my story. Bye bye. До побачення.